So what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to download Zoom meetings for PC. Okay, especially for Windows 10. Actually, speaking about Zoom, it is currently one of the commonly used software in terms of video calling or video conferencing. Alright, and today I'm going to teach you how to download it and at the same time how to install it in your PC Windows 10. So I am here right now in my browser. Then we'll just proceed to Google, www.google.com. Then enter, wait for it to respond. Then we'll type in Zoom free download or PC. There you go. Then click enter and we will be redirected to the link in which Zoom can be downloaded. There you go. We have here Download Center Zoom. Click this one and we will be redirected to the download link. Alright? So just wait for it. We have the current version right now, which is version 5.4.3. Alright? We're going to download this one. Just click this one. Then your download will automatically start. Alright, so it's already downloading, my dear friends. Here, I'm sorry because I clicked it. Upon clicking that download button, definitely your download will start. Okay, we have here my Zoom installer. Let's open it. Right, and we'll try to install it. Okay, so we have here, there's only seconds remaining before we can install it. Alright, so there you go, my dear friends. We already have the installer for Zoom. Okay, then the next thing that we will do here is to install it. Right? How to install it? Simply, we just need to click our installer, then right click, run as administrators. We may click yes to continue installing the software. Alright? Wait for it. There you go. It's already initializing. Okay? And it's already installing. Just wait for it until it's done installing. Alright? And it's done. You're good to launch your Zoom. Okay? And my dear friends, mind you, you need to create your account, Zoom account. Alright? I'm going to make a separate video about it, but the download link the download link for Zoom is in my description or in the description of this video. Right? It's almost done installing. We'll wait for it. And after the installation, my friend, we can now join a meeting if someone else is inviting us to join a video conference. Right? There you go. We already have it here. Okay? I'm also going to make a separate tutorial in how to join meeting, how to invite, okay, or conduct a meeting using your Zoom or Zoom application. That's it for now, my dear friends. I hope you've learned something and see you again next time.